It's Benjamin Jordan here, and I'm currently in Big Bear, California. So yes, Big Bear. The two main attractions of Big Bear would be fishing and snowboarding. And today is a perfect day for fishing. And me and two of my buddies are out here fishing right now. Haven't caught anything yet, but yeah, there's no wind. It's not as cold. It's actually about 43 degrees, I think. Not sure about that. But yeah, amazing day to go fish. And then we also gonna go snowboard. So I have some clips of that later. Yeah, and there's two main snowboarding places, and that would be Summit Mountain and Big Bear. And I would say Summit is more for beginners. There is some expert and intermediate hills that you can go down, but it's mostly beginner. And then for Big Bear Mountain, it is intermediate and expert. And especially in Big Bear Mountain, there is a lot of tricks, freestyle jumps, tricks, anything you want to do. So I would say if you're more into that, then Big Bear would be the way to go. But Summit is also fun. I've been there already twice. And just enjoy it. Then later we're gonna go into town and visit the #1 restaurant in California. I'll show you a little bit about that later. But yeah, now we're just out here fishing. So yeah, we're at Tropicali now, and it's way too busy. And then we would go there next time if we come up. Tropicali, the #1 spot in California. That's what I've heard. Yeah, we'll see. Did it actually start? Yeah, so Tropicali was way too busy, so we found this Mexican place called Muchachos, yeah. And we just ate there, and now we're gonna go to go fish. We'll try again, we didn't catch anything at the dam and at the Red House. Those are like the two most famous spots. But yeah, we'll see if our next spot is actually promising. But I doubt it, we'll see, it's just fun. So guys, find out our next fishing spot, and hopefully we can catch something this time. So we're heading back home. We just found this fair, and it's pretty cool. So yeah, it's really amazing.
Sorry, we're a little retarded.
to concrete, but I can't seem to get enough. My mind is fixed on what it wants. I just let you be me. Look can be deceiving. Let you get the best of me. In bed with my worst enemy. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me home. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is